The drones, designed to mimic the shape and behavior of birds, are proving to be highly impactful. Their biomimetic design allows them to blend seamlessly into natural environments, making them ideal for applications like wildlife monitoring, environmental research, and surveillance. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. There are groundbreaking drones that are equipped with bird-like legs is revolutionizing the capabilities of unmanned aerial vehicles by enabling them to walk, hop and jump into flight. This innovation significantly broadens the range of environments these drones can access. The birds, like ravens and crows, which effortlessly transition between air and land with multifunctional robotic legs, enable it to take off autonomously in areas previously out of reach for the traditional winged drones. Secondly, by reducing their visual and auditory footprints, these bird-shaped drones minimize disturbances to ecosystems while enhancing operational efficiency in a variety of contexts. The bird-like drones are less likely to startle wildlife or disrupt ecosystems due to their natural appearance and flight patterns. This is crucial for applications like wildlife observation and conservation efforts. By mimicking the flight patterns and sounds of birds, these drones can operate more quietly, reducing noise pollution and minimizing disturbance to human activities. By emulating the intricate flight maneuvers of birds, these drones can navigate complex environments with greater agility and precision. This is particularly beneficial for tasks such as search and rescue operations in challenging terrains. The biomimetic designs often incorporate lightweight materials and efficient flapping mechanisms, leading to improved energy efficiency and extended flight times. The biomimetic drones represent a promising area of technological development with the potential to revolutionize various fields. By learning from nature and incorporating its principles into the drone designs, we can create more efficient, sustainable, and harmonious technologies that benefit both humans and the environment. Let's look into today's headlines. iOS 19 release might get delayed due to staggered iOS 18 rollout. There have been reportedly delays in the development of iOS 19 as Apple has been releasing new minor updates for iOS 18 with significant Apple Intelligence upgrades. The tech giant has planned a gradual rollout of Apple Intelligence features in iOS 18 updates, and the upcoming iOS 18.3 and iOS 18.4 will include additional add-ons. While iOS 19 features are expected to be unveiled in June at WWDC 2025, the rollout may be delayed due to the staggered iOS 18 rollout. Vivo to form joint venture with Dixon Technologies to manufacture smartphones. Dixon Technologies and Vivo India have announced a new joint venture to manufacture electronic devices, including smartphones. The collaboration under the original equipment manufacturer, that is OEM model, marks a significant step in strengthening local manufacturing capabilities in India's growing smartphone market. While Dixon will hold a 51% stake in the joint venture, Vivo India will own the remaining 49%. Despite the partnership, both companies will remain independent. Mukesh Ambani names Ira Bindra as Reliance Industries Group President for HR and Talent. Reliance Industries Limited has appointed Ira Bindra as the organization's Group President for People and Talent. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani, the Chairman and Managing Director of Reliance Industries, announced Bindra's appointment as he looks to pivot talent, skill and people policies at the oil-to-telecom conglomerate. Reliance Industries Limited's functional heads usually announce talent hires at the senior level. However, Bindra is the first recent appointment announced by Ambani. YouTube is adding a passcode to the YouTube app on TV for parents. YouTube is rolling out a new feature that will allow parents to have more control over viewing habits of their kids. The video platform is launching a new parent code feature that can be turned on to prevent kids from watching YouTube signed out or accessing accounts meant for older members of the household. This feature is slowly rolling out to all YouTube users and should be available soon. OpenAI introduces ChatGPT projects. OpenAI has been announcing new features since last week. As part of its ongoing Shipmas celebrations, the company behind OpenAI has announced that it is rolling out projects for ChatGPT, a handy tool that makes it easier for users to organize things they are working on. The projects would appear on the left sidebar, and users can customize things like the title and the color of the project icon. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.